What is the main allergen in pet dander allergies? Have you ever wondered what causes those sneezes and itchy eyes when you are around pets? If you have a pet dander allergy, you might be curious about the main culprit behind your symptoms. Let's break it down in simple terms. Pet dander allergies are common and can affect many people. The main allergens in pet dander depend on the type of pet you have. For most households with cats and dogs, specific proteins found in their dander saliva and skin are the main offenders. Starting with cats, the primary allergen is called FeLD1. This protein is produced mainly in the sebaceous glands, anal glands, and salivary glands of cats. When cats groom themselves, FeLD1 gets transferred to their fur and skin. This allergen is highly recognized by the immune systems of over 90% of people who are allergic to cats. What makes FeLD1 particularly troublesome is its ability to bind to tiny airborne particles. These particles can linger in the air for a long time, making it easy to breathe them even in places where cats have not been. Additionally, FeLD1 is sticky, allowing it to cling to clothing and furniture, which can lead to widespread exposure. Now let's talk about dogs. The main allergens for dog dander allergies are proteins known as lipicalins. The most significant of these is CanF1. This protein, along with others like CanF2, CanF4, and CanF6, is found in dog saliva and dander. CanF1 is recognized by about half of the people who are allergic to dogs and plays a major role in triggering allergic reactions. Pet dander itself consists of tiny skin flakes that animals shed. These flakes are much smaller than pet hair and carry the allergenic proteins. Because they are so small and lightweight, they can float in the air and settle on surfaces like furniture, bedding, and clothing. This leads to prolonged exposure and can cause symptoms such as sneezing, wheezing, and airway inflammation. In summary, the main allergens in pet dander allergies are FeLD1 for cats and CanF1 for dogs. Understanding these specific proteins can help in managing pet allergies. Strategies like frequent cleaning, using air purifiers, and minimizing direct contact with pets can reduce exposure to these allergens. If you are experiencing symptoms, it may be helpful to consider these factors in your environment.